Yeah. Oh, hell no. My brow. 10 minutes is not enough time to get it together. Hey my Rainy Dolls, I'm back with another video, and this video is a little bit of a challenge because I am doing the 10-minute challenge where I have to do my makeup within 10 minutes. So I would have to beat the clock, beat the timer. Normally I would do my makeup literally, like if I'm doing like a natural, you know, just a natural beat, then it would be like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. But if I'm doing like a dramatic, I'm talking about dramatic look, then it will take about an hour and a half, an hour to an hour and a half. So me trying to beat the clock for 10 minutes, that's a little bit of challenge. So I'm a little bit nervous and like, yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And let's get on with this video, okay? Because yeah, let me go ahead and put the timer on. Your girl nervous, So y'all see, ooh, my phone dusty, but y'all see 10 minutes. I'm on the crack screen, but y'all see 10 minutes, and I'm scared because like my brows take so long. So by me trying to do my brows in a certain amount of time, it is very like, so yeah, we got the timer, and I'm scared, y'all. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do my brows. I ain't doing no eyeshadow. No, I can't do no eyeshadow. Oh my god, I should have fucking sharpened my shit before I started. 10 fucking minutes. Ooh, these brows finna be looking jacked the fuck up, but ooh, these brows so jacked up. Ooh, Lord, be with me. Yeah, I'm trying to beat this goddamn challenge. I'm trying to do this challenge, like really beat it. Ooh, I'm trying to beat the challenge. Oh, these, it's okay. We ain't worrying about the shape because the concealer gonna bring it all together. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh Lord, I gotta look for brushes and shit. Ooh. Ooh. Come on now. You know what? Now with my I want it to look presentable. Okay, that's enough. What the oh my god. We could do this. Viviana, you got this. Oh my god, is you serious? Okay, that's good enough. Oh my God. Oh. Come on, brush. This way, brush. Oh my God. Oh, I ain't never moved my wrist so fucking fast. My wrist hurting. Ooh. Yeah. I'm nervous. Like, yeah. Oh my God. We already down to 5 freaking minutes. What the heck is going on? Oh, this is not enough of foundation. Oh my God. Whew. I know my lashes gonna, oh boy, because my lashes take about a minute each eye. Okay. Beauty blender, beauty blender. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, this time it's like going by so freaking fast. Oh, I hope my makeup do not be jacked up, for real. Yeah, I'm getting hot. I'm literally getting hot. Okay, now what next? What's next? Yeah, I can't even think right. I ain't even do the top of my brow, y'all. Oh my God. This makeup finna look so. Y'all, it's not even blending. Oh my God. What the okay, contour, 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 contour. Oh, I only got 3 I'm not. That's enough. Shoot. Y'all, this gonna be look so jacked up. Like, for real. Y'all, what the heck? Lashes, 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 lashes. Come on now. Shoot. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Where's my highlighter? Okay, I'm gonna just use it. No, I'm not gonna use that palette. Yeah, I'm not even blended. Oh my God. look a freaking mess. Let's try to go ahead and blend this stuff out. Ooh, liner. I'm not even gonna be worrying about liner. Let me go ahead and make some liner because I can't put on my lashes without liner. Oh, oh, that's junk. Oh, y'all messing up my freaking. Where's my tweezer? Where's my tweezer? Ooh, Lord. Y'all don't know. I should have did my lip while this was drying. Ooh. Ooh, my lips. Ooh, my lashes is coming off. Come on. Oh. Yeah. Oh, my lashes is like really coming off. Like, what the heck? But this look a mess. My brows, yeah. Oh hell no. My brow, my lip, like, let me go ahead and try to fix this real quick. I ain't do my under eye. I ain't do my spray, my setting spray. I didn't put on. Oh, I forgot my eyeliner. Not my eyeliner. My mascara. I forgot my mascara. I forgot my under eye. I forgot my setting spray. I could do my lips right. I couldn't even blend. Yeah, this looks like a hot mess. Okay, it's like a hot mess. Let me try to go ahead and like finish stuff up. Cause this just can't be. I couldn't even highlight right. I couldn't even contour right. It's okay. It's okay. But how y'all think I do? Because I think I did horrible. Like, no, like literally, I really did horrible. My blending is horrible. My eyebrows is horrible. Like, I wasn't even able to do my brows right. Like, 10 minutes is not enough time to get it together. Like at all. It is not enough time. How do y'all think I do? Comment down below on how y'all think I did. Because yeah, I did horrible. But yeah, let me know down below. My lashes is like not on. Like not on whatsoever. But y'all let me know down below. below on what y'all think, because I think I did horrible. I did okay, but this is not cute, like, at all. Like, what? Oh my god. Like, y'all, what is this, Rihanna? Like, ain't nothing on my forehead. Like, wait, really? But this is the final look. This is what you get in 10 minutes. Like, 10 minutes, this is what you get. This is the look that you get. Okay, like, my lashes is like leaning. I feel like my eye like leaning, like, but it ain't all too bad. But it's just the blended for me. I could have blended more, but this was 10 minutes. It's not nothing. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this 10 minutes challenge. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my social media, my Instagram, this, like, and my Snapchat. They will be linked down below also. And thank you, my dogs, for watching.